In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in Constant Contact, transforming your emails into action-driven pieces of communication. Adding buttons is a fantastic way to boost engagement and guide your audience to the most important parts of your content. By the end of this short tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate a button into your email design with a few simple steps. First, start by opening your email editor within Constant Contact. Once there, have a look at your template and envision where the button would best support the flow of your message. Now, locate the button block within the editor's design elements. It's a simple process of dragging this button block directly into your template where you'd like it to appear. Imagine this as placing a signpost for your readers, directing them clearly to the action you want them to take. Once you've positioned the button block in your template, click on it to open a new panel on the left side of your screen. This panel is crucial as it holds all the options you need to customize your button to suit your style and requirements. The first setting in this panel allows you to add a URL link. This is where the true magic happens because you will connect this button to a specific destination, whether it be a web page, a download link, or any other online resource that fits your email's goal. The next area in the panel focuses on the text. Here you can modify the button's text appearance to better align with your email's overall design. You can change the color, adjust the size, choose a different font, and format the text to match your brand's identity. It's essential to ensure that the button's text is easy to read and stands out against the button's background. Moving down to the third section, you'll find options to further adjust the button itself. This includes changing the button's color to complement your template or make it stand out. You can also play around with the corners, making them rounder if you wish for a softer look, and refine the alignment so it fits perfectly within the layout of your email. Further down, you will find additional settings like background color, which allows you to change the space surrounding your button to create the desired focus. The border, padding, and margin settings give you even more control over your button's appearance, enabling you to fine-tune its placement and spacing within the email content. It's about making sure your button not only looks good, but is functional and attractive to your reader. Finally, should you ever need to edit the button's name or text after you've placed it on your editor, you can simply double-click it. This quick action makes it easy to update text, ensuring it's clear and compelling for your audience. By following these steps, you'll effectively employ buttons in your Constant Contact emails, turning passive readers into active participants.